Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most fundamental building block in SwiftUI, that is text. Whether you are just getting started with SwiftUI or looking to level up your skills, understanding how to work with text is essential for creating beautiful, readable and dynamic apps. We will explore everything from the basics of displaying text to styling it with font, colors, and other modifiers. So grab your Xcode and let's get started. As you can see in this preview window, there is nothing to display because it's just an empty page for now. So let me start with the text. Okay. If we need to use text over here, we simply need to type text and inside this text block we simply need to pass some string data. In our case I have passed like h, and that h will be reflected over here. Let me pass a full string over there. Okay, as you can see that hello world will be reflected on this preview window. So text is similar like label in Swift. if you uh, if you are aware of Swift, then you must have used label to display your text data. So according to the Apple's documentation, text is a view that display one or more lines of read-only text. Now there are some many properties as we have labels in the Swift, like background color, foreground color, fonts. So whatever those properties are modifiers here. So let me add some modifiers to text. Okay, let me add some font. Okay, I can give a font style like large title. So I'm going to use this modifier. As you can see, the title will be uh, large, the text title will be large. And we have many modifiers over here. As you can see in the suggestions, I have foreground color to pass. Okay, let me pass some foreground color. Okay, I can pass any color whatever we want. Okay, let me pass some gray. As you can see that foreground color is reflected to gray. Let me try with some other colors as well, like red. Okay, as you can see that red color will be reflected on our text. So let's change some other color, change to some other color. Okay, then if I pass blue over there, then that text will be text foreground color will be blue. There are many multiple modifiers over there, so we can pass according to our need. Like I'm going to pass some other data. Okay, let me bold it. Okay, then that text will be will be in the bold. Let's add some more modifiers. Let's make it italic. Then as you can see that is in italic now. Let's add some other modifiers like underline. As I pass underline over here, our text is underlined. There are many modifiers available as well, but as per the Apple's documentation, as you can see, text is a view that display one or more lines of read-only text. So there is no limits for your text over here. So let's add some more data. Let's say please do subscribe our channel. Okay, as you can see there is multiple line text is here. So whatever you want to pass in text, you can pass to display your data. That is more powerful, and there is many more modifiers available in this. You can use them to create more attractive text in your apps. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video helped you understand how to display and style text in your apps, and gave you some ideas for making your UI looks great. If you enjoy this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Swift UI and iOS development content. It really helps support the channel and lets me keep making videos like this. Let me know in the comments if there is anything else you would like to learn about Swift UI, or if you have any questions about what we have covered today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Happy coding. Bye bye.